Most people get this wrong. They think all dropshipping tools are the same, but GetHooked.ai claims to help you find winning products faster and boost sales with AI. Today, they'll give you an honest review so you know what to expect before you invest your time or money. GetHooked.ai is an AI-powered dropshipping platform designed to help e-commerce sellers identify trending products, analyze competitors, and optimize ad campaigns. Instead of manually researching products, the platform uses AI algorithms to predict which items are likely to sell. One of the biggest benefits is speed. Product research usually takes hours, but GetHooked.ai streamlines this by showing you trending products along with estimated margins, sales potential, and ad insights. Most people overlook how much time this can save when starting a store. Another key feature is ad automation. The platform provides ready-made ad templates and campaign suggestions tailored to your chosen products. While it won't replace a full marketing team, it's a great starting point for beginners or small-scale sellers. The surprising truth is that the platform isn't fully hands-off. You still need to validate products, test ads, and handle customer service. AI can guide you, but success in dropshipping always requires effort and smart decision-making. Pricing is subscription-based, and while it's reasonable compared to hiring a team, some new sellers might find it an extra expense. However, if it helps you find a winning product faster, it could easily pay for itself in a few sales. In conclusion, GetHooked.ai is ideal for dropshippers who want to save time on research, discover trending products, and get ad insights without starting from scratch. It won't make you overnight rich, but it's a helpful tool for anyone serious about scaling their online store. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping reviews and tips to grow your e-commerce business efficiently.